Now students, sometimes the assets that are purchased do not last up to their useful or the expected commercial life, or it is quite possible that during their life they are usually exhausted or they become obsolete. As a result, they have to be sold off. So let us consider or let us understand what entries are made at the time the assets are sold. Now students, it is quite possible that you might have to sell assets during a particular accounting period. That means, let's say after 3 months or 4 months or 5 months of the beginning of the new financial year. Since you have used that particular asset for a certain number of months, depreciation has to be charged. So in case if assets are used for some period in the financial year, FA signifies financial year, then depreciation has to be charged. It would be depreciation account debited to assets account. That is, depreciation is an expense, a nominal account, so debit all expenses and losses. Whereas assets are real account, their value is decreasing, so credit what goes out. Then, when the assets are sold, in case they are sold, the entry would be bank account debited to assets account, that is sale value here. Now students, bank is a personal account, debit the receiver. Since we are selling the assets, we would be receiving money, so bank would be debited, whereas the value of the assets would be decreasing, so credit what goes out. Then in case of loss, it is quite possible that you incur a loss while selling the asset. So in case there is a loss, entry would be profit and loss account debited to assets account, that is loss on sale. Lastly, there is a possibility that you might make certain profit as well. So in case you have profit, this entry would be reversed. That is, in case of profits, the entry would be assets account debited to profit and loss account, that is profit on sale. So now students, let us recall, there is a possibility that asset is sold during the year. So whenever the asset is sold during the year, first thing is you have to charge depreciation for the number of days, months or weeks that asset has been used during the current financial year. Once you have charged depreciation, then we will make entry as bank to asset, that is to signify that this particular asset has been sold. Then during the sale, it is quite possible that you incur a loss or you make a profit. So in case there is a loss, entry would be profit and loss to assets, and in case there is profit, entry would be assets to profit and loss.